Are you missing out on one of the most rewarding careers by overlooking project coordination? It's a fast-paced and varied role that offers fantastic career opportunities if you are great at organizing and love seeing a plan carried out from beginning to end. You would probably make a great project coordinator. A project coordinator is typically the next in command position after the project manager. Therefore, their duties involve supporting the project manager in managing a project or projects rather than taking on an entire project. A coordinator may be responsible for a particular phase, element, or team. Their responsibilities include managing project schedules and delegating tasks. They ensure deadlines are met and track project risks and opportunities. They also prepare reports and organize stakeholder meetings. They take minutes, communicate with clients, and provide administrative support. They work across a variety of industries and organizations, which means there are usually lots of roles advertised. Salaries tend to be above average, and the role offers significant growth opportunities. The average project coordinator salary in the UK is around £32,000 a year. However, it can vary depending on experience. Project coordinators are required to work on a range of different tasks, which means each working day can differ from one to the other. The role is typically fast-paced and challenging, which makes it interesting and exciting. If you're interested in pursuing this career path, our project coordinator course can help you gain the knowledge and experience needed to get started as a project coordinator. This course covers a wide range of relevant skills and activities, including creating a project plan, working with agile project management, and tracking project risk. What do you think? Does this career opportunity sound exciting to you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more career insights and opportunities.